of 2020 Elements Football for Mike K. It's posted on the YouTube channel. Posted on our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is 116 Sports Cards. Alright, good luck, Mike. /79, DeAndre Swift. I didn't guarantee nothing. We got 003 out of 199, Jacob Eason. I said theoretically. I hope. We have 13 out of 50, Billy Sims. Jeez. That's some BS right there. Billy Sims. Get it? Because it's literally like his initials are. Yes. Crazy. And then we have a 4 out of 29. How about a little Dante Hall? Nice Dante Hall auto. You don't see too many Dante Hall autos. One of the best returners of all time. Congrats on that, Mike. I have one more case of Elements left.